Pappy's son just took receipt of a gimme. A buddy of his moved down south and gave him this old pickup.
Yeah.
What year is it?
I don't know.
2000.
You don't know?
2000,
We'll have to look on the title, but it's an old Dakota. Pull the battery out, see if we can get it charged up.
It's a 2000.
It's a 2000?
According to the alternator.
So we're just assessing the condition, cleaning it out. Or he is anyway, I'm not. I'm just doing the filming. So.
Gotta get black plates for it.
Well, you got rid of that cobweb. I was gonna.
There's another one in the bed.
Oh, is there?
A bigger one.
Oh yeah, cobwebs. Was out in the field. But he's got this all cleared out. Wasn't horribly junked up. Some straps and things that are needing fixed. Got some rust. And the emergency brake doesn't work. We're on a bit of an incline here.
Oh yeah. Wheel bearings come with the hub, probably.
I don't know if they do.
Is this open?
Hard.
Sounds like
Hard?
it is.
Oh, there it went. I just had to give it a double move.
Frame looks solid.
Sure doesn't.
Turn that. It's good. The tailgate works.
Gonna see what kind of miles it has, but they don't show up when it's not. Miles don't show up, huh? When it's not.
Yeah, it's because it's past $1 million.
How many miles it's got on it?
200,000.
200,000?
200,000.
There's a penny down there.
Hey, it looks like your light's falling out there, but.
Yeah, it rolled down a hill in the snow.
And here's a pile of stuff we just brought in. A lot of that's junk, but some of it will salvage. Might be able to save some of the trim around the doors and part of the dash and interior pieces. Let's go outside here. Seat pulled out. Sorry about the locusts or the cicadas in the background. That's Mother Nature for you. Floor mats pulled. The ceiling headliner. And door panel pulled off. Dash pulled out. Part of the dash anyway. And been scraping all the gunk out of here. You hear all the gunk that was in there. Finding rust everywhere. There. There's some back here. An owie right there. What this is. Oh, it's a door handle. There's the other half of the floorboard, or floor mat, whatever. And here's some change in a bucket that was retrieved from the old gal. Well, the first two things needed to get her running was a tune-up with new plugs, plug wires, and a distributor, all from United Automotive, a tri-pack tune-up kit. Pappy's son completely replaced the brakes and new drums with Rebestos drums and new shoes from Power Stop Auto Specialty. And here they are installed. Painted up the new drums, and this is the kickoff for the Dakota project. Remember, do something nice for someone today. Peace.